Okay, we're back again.
Are we back again?
We're back again. And the sausage in the backwursten. Backwursten. Is 8 students. May? Saan ka? Blending in the background.
I'm blending.
You're blending. Yan si May, oh. Back to Amsterdam after 5 years, man.
Yaman.
Yaman. Ate Mara.
Still in Amsterdam.
Still in Amsterdam after 5 years, man. But won't be long for man.
Oh, I'm not in Amsterdam.
Oh, you're not in Amsterdam?
Pormaren. I'm
You're in the Pormaren.
probinsya. In a bukid.
And you, man. How long have you been out? Your husband torturing you
Out.
in the province of Tiptree?
I'm not out of the closet.
Out of the closet.
And where have you been?
In the closet.
Oh, look, your sausage dropped. Get no balls.
Kailangan pa natin ng plato.
Yan, sasayaw yung maliiting natin.
Makanta pa.
Ayun na, si Benjamin Bata ni May, oh. Ayun, oh.
Ano sabi ni Tani? Sabi ko punta siya, pinilit ko. Kasi sabi niya, nasa
Tiyan to.
party na raw siya, tapos may school siya or something. Mama? Tapos sabi niya,
Mama who?
babalik daw siya sa party na yun. Sabi ko,
You say hello first to you.
babalik ka sa party na yun.
Go sing and dance. That's you. What is it? Huh? Okay, don't go there. What is it, dark?
What is it?
What is it?
Yeah, English.
What do you want? Huh?
English is
What is it? Oh, Gento, you have to give some to Pia. Share it with Pia. She's what she wants, I think. Huh? Gento, hi.
Hi.
Share with Pia. I think Pia wants some of those. There you go, Pia. Oh,
Go there. Go play there on the bubble. Not on the swing. Sige na. Get them back.
what about Pia? Go on, Pia. Let me see you blow bubbles.
Tata, you open this.
Not yet. There's still more there. You can't open that until later. Okay?
Too later.
Teka, nandun si Oma. Hindi pa natin na-video si Oma. Hello, Oma. Ayun si Oma. Asan yung isang Maria niyo? Atong! Nandun, nagaching ang isang Maria. Huwag yung sabihin allergic kayo kay Ate MJ. Sinabi ko lang, umaching kayo.
Wala pa nga.
Tatlo eh. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Oh, hindi ko pa makita si May. Camouflage daw eh.
Sabi ko na ganyan eh. And als zij groter wordt, sabi ko na ganyan, dan heeft ze ano ng English.
Actually, eto, oh, yung tatlo. Yung mga tatlong anak, si Jasmine, si Gento, at si Pia, ang mga anak. Ayun yung tatlong anak. Nandun yung tatlong nanay. Ay, stop playing with the tissue, please, Gento. Andun yung tatlong nanay. Oh. See? Si Ate Mara,
Hi.
si May, at yung si Siri. Hello.
Dapat.
Oh, nadapa. Yung anak mo nadapa. Takbo.
Diyan tatayo kailan.
Bodyguard. Okay lang.
Asan ako eh, sabi ko.
Sige, mamaya na ulit.
Bye. See you there.
Bye.
Hi.